Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making balanjay choka. Here I have a big balanjay here I bought from the store. So big. 3 cloves of garlic. Now I'll just poke this balanjay up. And I'll add the garlic. So just make an incision there. Garlic is inside. Make a bigger incision here. There it is. And I have one more, I'll add that. I added the other one here. These garlic cloves so big in there. So I have 3 cloves of garlic. I had to cut one in half because it was too big. So now I'll wrap this with foil. I wrap it so no air comes out. See how nice it looks here? There it is. So it's on the stove here. I'll leave it for like 20 minutes, or when it's soft, I'll check it. Here I have some tomato. It's called sprinkles, different colors. So nice. I'll add these to the eggplant choka, balanjay choka, as we call it. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt to it, 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. Now I'll wrap everything together. And this goes on the stove too. I'll roast the tomato on the stove. I'm also added some sweet pepper. Here I have different color cut up. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Wrap it up. I'll roast it on the stove. See, all wrapped up. So here I have the tomato, peppers, and eggplant on the stove. Here I have 1 red onion, 1 seasoning pepper, and 2 green onion. I'll be using only half of the onion. Nice and thin. Cut it back somewhere. Looking good. I have the seasoning pepper here. We don't cook with a lot of peppers. So I have the seasoning pepper there, red onion. Now I'm doing the green onion. Nice and fine. my husband usually be the sous chef. He's not home today. I'm not good with this, but he usually cut it so fine. All done, looking good. Nice seasoning for the eggplant. Making some Jamaican dumpling duff for the kids. They really like this one. It's sell at a dollar grocery store. Really good. In here, I just need a whole pack. I need a whole pack here with half a cup of warm water. With half a cup of milk with warm water. So quarter cup of milk, quarter cup of warm water. So in all, half a cup. So nice and soft. So I'll just wrung it off here. Make it like this here. And I'll add it to my frying pan. My kids love these. They eat it with butter and sausage and egg for breakfast. All roll out there. The plant is on over there. Now I'll be frying my dumpling. My Jamaican duff. I say dumpling, but they say duff. Duff on the package. Tastes really good. We had this so many times. Just add some water and milk to make the batter. Half and half together. Looking good. Duff looking so nice. All swollen up.